Okay. All right, I wasn't going to record this, but came down here after a few days of this tank soaking in vinegar and all sorts of positions, upside down, right side up. This came out great. Look at this fuel sending unit. This was frozen. It was solid rust. Cleaned up perfect. I'm going to take it upstairs, see what the resistance is, see if it still works. I think it might, because there's nothing fancy in there. It's just an old 2-wire little resistance. Got the kickstand was propping the tank up, so I just left it in the old vinegar anyway. Cleaned that up. But you can see down, I'm not done with the tank, but it's definitely like night and day in there. It's just washed out about 2 cups full of rust flakes. But yeah, I'll probably do some new vinegar. I don't feel like filtering that out. This stuff's pretty gross. I had to get there was a screen inside there. That's where the fuel petcock was. Oh, there it is, yeah. And even got this cleaned up too. This was not working. But I got a new one anyway, because they were like $10. That's a vacuum actuated fuel valve. So as soon as you get vacuum, fuel goes to the engine. Nice little setup. Got my new seat today. It's upstairs. And I did end up buying a battery. But yeah, I'll get into that more. Blah, 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 blah. Cool. All right, look at that. Still works. Set up to 7 ohms when full. And when empty, set 100. So it looks like all through the range it works. So, cool. I'm going to pop this little cover off right here. I'll probably clean up in there. A little grease maybe. Oh yeah, and the why that I'm doing this is because this is an obsolete part. I do not make anymore. I didn't see any used on eBay. Yeah, see, just a simple rheostat there. Look at the metal even on it. The metal is even in good shape. I think vinegar is great stuff. I could clean this up some more. It looks like that. It might be all sediment from when I had the tank upside down. Great. Then I can just, vinegar's great, it goes right down the drain. I'm not going to pollute anything. Sweet. Up on the roof. Yeah, this was in the vinegar too. Ooh, get some flash rust already, okay. So, I guess I should have oiled it right away. But yeah, that was spotless. We're definitely dry. I'll get some oil on this. Definitely dry. Actually, there's a little wet in there still. Okay, well, get some penetrating oil, marble mystery oil, something. All right, back to this tank. I'm not happy with the flash rust I got. So, I'm going to do another round of vinegar. I don't know why the light's not working on the camera, of course. Anyway, you get the idea. There's rust in there still. So, I'm going to do a little more vinegar I got left over. Going to be gone for a couple days, and so I might as well just let it sit. And then, to avoid the flash rust, baking soda, cut with water, rinse, and now I have some marble mystery oil I can wrap around in there and coat it. Then we should be done with this tank. Okay, once again, quick update. Had to go away for a couple days. Just before I left, there was a pinhole leak on the bottom of this tank. So all is back to normal. I neutralized the acid baking soda. That's in there now. Ordered some red coat. It's on the way. And I guess I'm going to line this tank with red coat liner.